Well, okay, I'm back here at the NEC. I literally just arrived. I'm gonna go into the showroom now. You need this really, don't you? Because it's a bit of a walkover. Okay, so we've got a simulator over here. Apparently, it's a simulation of Michael Dunlop in the TT. So you're sitting and you're basically Michael Dunlop going around the TT. So I wonder. Do you want to come with me and see what it's like to ride a motorcycle on the TT? Here we go.
It's all planned out and the clock is tipping.
They go really fast. Dangerously, madly fast. Anyway, let's go and see what else they've got in store for us here today. What we've got here is we've got electric bikes doing their stuff. Wow. Wow. Whoa. Mad. These electric bikes can do some stuff, it looks like, eh? E-bike. So I wanted to see these helmets. I like the black one, it looks good. They're all pretty good.
It's made in Germany, anti-fog, anti-mist, 0% alcohol, cleans your laptop, computer screens, silver, gold, jewellery, diamond rings, and the most important for the glasses, they stop them steaming up.
Excellent, that's exactly what I want.
All the gadgets here, it cleans.
Superb.
All those things you can clean. No pearls, no opals, everything else you can clean.
Bacterial as well. Superb. Thank you very much. All
Thank
right.
you. We're in aucklandglobal.com and we're based in Chelsea, London, Italy, France, Germany, globally.
I'm going to try it and I'll let you know how it goes. So listen, stay tuned for the results. Right, so let's have a feel. Okay, you know what? Straight away, as soon as I'm putting my foot up, I kind of hit that. Got to stretch your foot a little bit. You know what? The feel is all right, you know. It doesn't stretch out as much as mine does, which is out here. But it's really nice. Yeah. Feels like you can corner nicely on it as well. Feel. My foot is a bit. It could go down a little bit more, but it's not far off mine. Feels really good. Ears are a bit small, but effective. And I find myself stretching a bit though. I think I'd probably be more comfortable right here. But yeah, good. Yeah, this one is slightly lower, which would probably be how I would have it. This is a lower version. I love the wheels. Sky. Thank you. Okay, well, it's a lot lower. This is a lot lower, guys. Oh, yeah, this is more like it. Yeah, this is more me. This is definitely more me. It feels really nice. Very nice. Yeah, I could ride this one. This is nice. Position's really comfortable. Yeah, yeah, I like this. Good comfortable position to ride in. Really nice, thank you. That is the new one up there. And I think it's lighter. The chassis on these are lighter as well.
Duke 790, Crasher CB, the Duke Roll.
Ooh. He's ready now. Obviously the box going around. The electric bikes. These are all the electric bikes. Scooters. Electric scooters. This one, pickup demonstration. Looks nice. The Yamahas. Obviously, get the reader on it. Looks good. I'll have a sit on it. Feels okay, you know. The position's alright. Oh, a nice bike. Nice, comfortable position. Yeah. Tagwan. Not sure though. Nice looking bike, nevertheless. Razor can ride on a sports bike. Okay, guys. For me, this is a very unnatural positioning. As you know, I'm usually up like this, but it's a change. Would I ride one? I still don't think sports bike and me agree. There's some nice cornering with it, you know. Feels like the position's nice. Gear change is fine. Yeah, nice. Positioning of everything feels okay. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, feels good. Let's check out the Honda store for a bit. Yeah, so this is your Honda 350. Nice looking bike. They've kept the old style to it, so it's very retro looking. Yeah, very nice. Let's have a look at the readout. Not too fussy. Yeah, wide handlebars. Nice. Okay, it's got the floodlights at the front as well. This particular model, I didn't see them. And the side tag. That's a good addition. But nice. We can't really tell on here the difference between the color, guys, but yeah, that one's slightly lighter. Don't know if you can tell. But I don't know why they would come out with two colors so similar and then a black one. But yeah, good looking bike. I'm gonna have a sit on it and tell me what you think. Razor Rider, guys, I am on the Under 350, brand new model. This model comes out January, I'm told. So, what do you think? Lovely feel on it. Very, feels very nimble. So, yeah, feels good. Right, that was the Under 350. So, I'm at the Under stall at the moment, so I'll just go around and show you what's going on. The scooters. If you're into scooters. Yeah. This costs 3,000 quid. This is a 750 Hornet. Another Hornet. This is the CL500. I'll show you the specs here. Nice looking bike, isn't it? Now, here's an interesting bike. I'll tell you why. XADV. It's a scooter, right? Now, this costs 11 grand. It's a scooter, but it looks like a big bike. So, interesting looking bike, isn't it? I feel like a bike or a scooter. Yeah, it's interesting bike. It's an interesting looking one. Right,
Same engine.
Okay, it is.
Yeah. It's quite a lot of money, this. I think it's probably 11,000.
Yeah, it's 11 grand. They probably got, you know what? They probably got a lot of space in here as well for shopping and that, innit? Because there's a big gap. Okay.
I believe it's one of the biggest selling bikes in Europe.
Really?
This, yeah. Italy, Spain, and that, yeah.
Okay. Ah, that's why.
But they like scooters, don't they?
Yeah. We are coming up to the Africa Twin. Now, this bike, I'm sure, if I was going to get an off-road bike or a tourer, it's going to be something like this. I think one day me and this Africa Twin might meet. Africa Twin, one day, maybe. Like I say, this is the newer model. I think this comes out sometime this year. And if you notice, the seat's lower on this. It suits me more because I've got shorter legs. Yeah, okay, my first time Africa Twin. Right.
If you look at that one over there, for instance, you see where the back of the seat meets the back seat?
Yeah.
See it's level?
Yeah, that's right.
If you feel behind you, you'll see how much lower it is. This one is the Adventure Sport, which is new for this year with the smaller front wheels. It's more road bias.
Okay. Touring, long touring, yeah.
They're still just as good, but they've got 21.
Thank you.
I just wanted to make sure you knew.
So, What's the difference between this one and that one now? I mean, straight away, you can see to get up. And if I had panniers on there, I couldn't do that. So, let me try. I'd have to probably go over here, like that. Can hardly put my foot down on this. But I'm sure it's great for touring. You can go off-road, stand up. Be good. Nice bike though, nice riding position. This is probably what you want to ride, go out and ride with, touring with. Love the bike. Africa Twin. Man, there is so much to see here. I don't know, you just got to make your own way down. A really interesting day out. I'm getting tired now, so I'm going to see what else I can do before I get out of here. You know what, I'm looking for the LS2 stand. I've got a helmet apparently, I've got a helmet that I really would like to see. So I'm going to try and find that now. So guys, I am at this LS2 stand, buying point, and I think I'm about to get a helmet. I'm looking at these helmets and I've got to talk to the guy down there in a second. I've chosen one. It's good, but we'll have to see. So this is it for today, guys. This is all I can manage today. If you do want to come, get here early. It's a massive place, and if you really want to get around, you need the time. Like I say, a great day, lots to see. See you in the next one.